Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. In this video, it is really just us taking apart our TV stand. I've had this TV stand since I want to say about 2013, and we just been repairing it. It's been through like maybe 5 different homes at this point, and we've just been repairing it over and over again, and it's about time to just refresh and get it fixed up. So we are taking everything out and going to rebuild a new TV stand. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching.
Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gotta make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you.
So as we're building this, my daughter is just sitting here watching us. She's really close and always up our butts and just watching us. And I just thought some of the little things she does in this video is really cute. So yeah.
Up against in my way, I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
Yeah, so my husband decided to throw a box and it stuck to our ceiling, And I told him, yep, I'm recording that and I'm putting it on in my video. So here you go.
One last time, let me hold you. One last time, what if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
And I just want to say, look at that belly. I am currently 30 weeks and 4 days. We are slowly getting into the last couple weeks, and I'm excited.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path, that led me straight to you. I was down, but things aren't looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart beat.
So I'm not completely sure why the camera was so blurry. I didn't check it a couple times while I was recording, and it didn't look blurry when I was looking at it, so I'm not really sure. But all I'm doing is pulling out all of the videos, separating it from children's videos and adult videos, and then I am putting them all in alphabetical order.
Make
So this is the finished product. We are actually really happy with it, but we are not finished with the setup. So you will be seeing that in my next video. So please make sure you continue to watch, especially for my next video. But for right now, we're just going to hurry up and get this kitchen cleaned up because it definitely needed to be cleaned.
We had, yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay.
Okay, and that completes our video. I am just going to finish sweeping up the kitchen, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and if you are not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. And again, my name is Kiana, also known as Queendashe. Peace.